Scales and weighing play an important part in the plastics industry. Plastics engineering (PLE) students at the University of Wisconsin-Stout are required to produce a stunning senior design project in order to graduate. The PLE program utilizes sophisticated equipment, however, the inventory management system was sometimes a source of frustration for students and faculty alike. UW-Stout's PLE class of 2017 decided to overhaul the system for their senior project. At first, they weren't sure if it was possible, but they decided to give it the old college try with the help of Rice Lake weighing systems. Plastics engineering students at UW-Stout implemented a resin inventory management system as a senior project. Students work with polymer resins throughout all coursework in the program's three core areas: material testing, plastics extrusion and injection molding. Across these fronts, an occasional problem lurked in the shadows, with the potential to completely halt operations. The problem: material scarcity. The program had no real data to show how much resin was used each semester. Therefore, purchasing accurate amounts of resin was more of an educated guess than a controlled plan. They needed a more refined system to ensure sufficient inventory. To begin the design project, the group searched the internet for the most reliable, durable and accurate scales. A rough deck floor scale with digital weight indicator helped UW-Stout's plastics engineering department manage their resin inventory. With the plan in place, the student design group wanted to go one step further. If they could integrate PC software to interface with the Rice Lake indicator, data could be recorded for reporting and ordering purposes. After the scales were installed, the students were so inspired it took them a mere 2 weeks to write a spreadsheet program that could export weight data from the weight indicator to active inventory files. Today, as materials are used in the lab, they are rolled onto the rough deck scales in 55-gallon storage drums and material weights are recorded using the student-authored software program. The rough deck floor scales are not only precise, they are also durable enough to hold up to the rigors of being moved and bumped often as other bulky equipment and materials are shifted for constant use in the lab. Precise weights are a huge improvement over the previous process, which relied on estimates. With the new data, the PLE program always knows how much resin they have on hand, and how much must be ordered to fulfill the needs for generations of students to come. Contact us today for a rough deck floor scale quote by calling 919-776-7737 or visiting our website, centralcarolinascale.com.